Hello, my name is Jean-Christophe Hermes. I'm the product manager for MX Master 3. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use this mouse in the different apps you use every day. So let's start with Excel. So if I move here, I can use the scroll wheel, the max speed scroll wheel, to go line by line. And I feel every line, it's very precise. Or I can just spin it and I'm going through all the lines super quickly. It's a hyper fast mode. And you can scroll 1000 lines in 1 second. And then to find your content, you can also move horizontally using the thumb wheel here, which allows you to quickly navigate. So this max speed wheel is very useful in Excel, but it's also super useful when you are in a coding environment and if you need to go through your code super quickly like this, you swipe, or you go line by line. And then if you have a log file, you probably have longer lines and you need to check the end of a line so you can move horizontally like this. If you are like me, you probably have a lot of apps open on your computer and you can press on this thumb button here to see all your apps. So let's say you are coding, then you press a button, you want to check something on Stack Overflow, and here you are in the browser. And the wheel is also great to browse. You can go very quickly through your documents or very slowly like this. And it's nice in any place of the web, you can just go through images like this. Then you can use this button as well by pressing and holding, and it allows you to navigate between desktops. So I press and move, and here I'm on a different desktop. And this is Adobe Premiere Pro. And when I'm here, I can use the max speed scroll wheel to go image by image. So it's frame by frame, and I feel every line like this. Or, if I prefer, I just use the wheel to go through my video very quickly like this. And I can use the thumb wheel to go on the timeline here and navigate horizontally in my timeline. If I move now to Photoshop, the thumb wheel will allow you to adjust the brush size, so you can quickly create something. And if you don't like something you have done, you can always use the back and forward buttons here to undo and redo. And then you can very quickly create content like this. So all of this is possible thanks to the Logitech Options software, which allows you to configure the buttons of the mouse. So you can go on all of these highlighted buttons and you can change the functions, either applying to all applications or to the specific apps you select. Here are the apps for which we created profiles, so you don't have to customize yourself, it's already done. But you can also take any of these apps and modify the function. So here in PowerPoint I have zoom by default, but I can also choose text size. So this is really designed to help you be faster and more efficient in all the apps you use. And Logitech Options also support MX Keys, which is our best keyboard for typing and productivity at the desk. And on MX Keys you can also reprogram the buttons highlighted here. So you can select any button you see here and reprogram it. One of them that I like is the screen capture. I can select screen capture, a region on the screen, and move that to the clipboard. And it allows me to, with one press like this, to select a region of the screen is going to be copied, and then I can move to Photoshop and can just paste it. Then I can work on it. And if I don't like that, I can use the back and forward buttons that will do undo and redo in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Final Cut Pro, and Photoshop. So I hope you are going to enjoy all the capabilities offered by our Logitech Options software, allowing you to use MX Master 3 and MX Keys to their full potential in the different apps you use.